Nikani wavawa. Laba receptionist ya inaka smile akalonji. So your receptionist akwaniza ni smile enonji. Anyway, nabadeko ku Nikani Resort Hotel wali erweza nga ngenze kubera nga ate nkyusako ku bulamu. Bayina ka adventure akalonji parking nene ka adventure ndozero kalaba ne boze na family yo bayina swimming pool ngenda jibalaga kao adventure ndozo kalaba kalonji nyinyo. So parking nunji guys muje gwe Eastern ogenda jijimalirako wa jangu ku Nikani wobo malirako Easter wobo nyumirwe kifondozo kiraba kigaze bulungi ne bwe kiba muyina emotoka meka kisobola ba containinga eyo na parking nze kye nasinze okusima ku Nikani Hotel nti buli omu abeera agenda ku parkinga atenga security nayo nungi nyondozo mula security guard buli kaseera aba ayitamu alambula agamba wagwani kiki ekiganyi award mase kiriwo kati gwebeera ng'oleetawo embwa yonna ku Nikani Resort Hotel baba bagenda kukwata jeke bakuwanike nga bali ababi Nenga anyway ekifo kigazi bulungi atenga wola bawo buli lwa Sunday wabeerawo live band nolwekyo live band ku Eastern yenyini live band egenda kubeerawo gwe ekifondoza ng'okirabwe kiri ekigazi band ebeereri mu mubeere eno band nebeera nga ate ekuba bulungi jangu onyumire ku Nikani Hotel atenga ebyokulya n'ebyokunywa ndoza ba client walaba buli omu atudde bali mu katenti walo negani inanekana osima akaita gazebo something like that oba akase gazebo simanyi bulungi nenga live band ebeera awo so knowledge jangu gwe luyimba lwosaba lubakubira luyimba lwosaba bakubira tenga tuina ne guest artist ku Eastern knowledge jangu oberenga ate guest tetugenda mwogera tumuyita surprise ekyenyanja kitya kirabe labi ekyenyanja so knowledge jangu Nikani Hotel oh yeah Morris Julius Kawesa nabadeko ku Nikani Hotel te nga ndia ekyenyanja tenge ekyenyanja ekyo engeri gye bakiretamu eba very sensitive and mother.
Why do you hide like this, my brother?
I don't hide.
But now you know this Nikani normally provides nice fish. But now when you are coming to Nikani, you call me.
Bro.
Please kindly
I can't.
When you're already on your way, please you call me. We come and we enjoy this fish.
Bro.
I think let the white also try to.
Yeah, you should.
Please.
Fish atenga balina buli kimwe gobo yagala akanyama kembuzi akoche obulungi omwana ali wanakola ka BBQ akalungi akanyama kembuzi akalungi chefu wali awo musajja mukugu nnyo nolekyo jangu Nikani Hotel muganda wange oyo yabadde agezaako kubeera nga ate naye mu
home I didn't even eat anything. It took me 3 days when I have not even eaten.
3 days.
3 days. I just take only water. I tell you, Nikani has come.
Nikani has come.
And then it is killing other places.
Other places are not working.
Other
places are not working.
Then just look at the chips. Yes. I need just on the weight. Because the way the vegetables, the way they are. And even when you look at the way they are put the kachumbari. Because even I'm seeing even the lemon here. I think these guys are just cutting the weight.
No.
You can even see the customer care.
Wow, thank you so much for the customer care. This is nice.
Yeah. Wow.
Thank you.
This is really nice.
Thank you.
Please, you follow up with my order. Because really,
wow. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this channel. My name is Morris Jordan Kawesa. I'm still at Nikani Hotel. Let me first enjoy my meal with my brother.
Atengera umalako enjoyinga ekifo kigaze bulungi ndozo la Nikani yamaze okubeera nga etegeka ekifo we mugenda okusula bumba muzenga muri couple muzenga muri family ne mwanga muze family ayabantu nga mukaaga ebifo we bili abana gye basula namwe abakulu yo mugenda okusula tengeye suit ebeera ya mulundi gumu muba musasula mulundi gumu so nokyo jangu Nikani Hotel tukulinze ko Easter.